Good morning. Race cars. Take two. This is our more focused version. February 4th. Hello, Elena.
There you go.
All right. Race cars. Car racing is an exciting and dangerous sport. It tests the speed of cars and the skill of drivers. There are two kinds of car races. One kind is the track race. In the track race, the cars go on an oval track. They move around and around the track. Another kind of race is the road race. In the road race, the cars drive on roads with hills, curves, and corners. Track races are faster than road races. During a car race, cars stop in the pit. The cars get new tires in the pit. Cars get the engines checked in the pit. The pit workers are very fast at fixing cars. The first car to cross the finish line gets the checkered flag. The driver sometimes wins money.
I win!
The end. Bye-bye, Elena.
There you go.